Hello everyone. In today's section, we are going to dive into pages 7 through 9 of our textbook Ganitha Prakash. You have to make exactly 30 button presses. What is the largest 3-digit number you can make? And another question, what is the smallest 3-digit number you can make? So 30 presses, largest 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. First we deal with largest 3-digit number. We know the largest 3-digit number is 999. So we have to make a 3-digit number which is close to 999. Since it is a 3-digit number, we have three type of buttons: hundreds, tens and ones. Consider 900s. First we use 9 buttons and 8 tens. 9 plus 8 is 70. So after 17 we have 13 in 30. We can consider 31, so it will make 993. So the largest 3-digit number is 993. Next, we will find the smallest 3-digit number. We know the smallest 3-digit number is 100. So we have to find the number which is close to 100. Since it is 3-digit, we have hundreds, tens and ones button. We have only 30 presses to make. Now take 0 hundreds, 10 tens. So 30 minus 10 is 20. So we have 20 ones and it will make 120. Now consider another set of buttons, that is 100 button and 0 10 button and remaining 29 1 button, then it will make 129. Next one, 9 10 button, 21 1 button, then it will make 111. 8 10 button and 22, the 30 minus 8 is 22, so 22 ones, it will make 80 plus 22, that is 102. Next we can consider 7 10 button and then 30 minus 7 which is 23, so we can use 23 ones. We have 70 plus 23 which is 93, which is a 2-digit number. We cannot use the 8 tens and 22 ones and 102 is the answer. 997 can made using 25 clicks. Can you make 997 with a different number of clicks? So we have 25 clicks and the number is 997. We use 100 buttons, 10 buttons and 1 button. First we use the 900s. After 9 we have 25 minus 9 16. So 16 can divide into 7 ones and 16 minus 7 which is equal to 9. So 9 tens. So we get 9 hundreds, 9 tens and 7 ones in 25 clicks. Next we can use 8 hundreds and 19 tens, 7 ones, then it will make 997. So we have find another number of clicks, 8 19 7. The total is 34 clicks. Systematic CP is a different kind of calculator. It has the following buttons: plus 1, plus 10, plus 100, plus 1000 and 10,000, 1 lakh. It wants to be used as minimally as possible. So here is one way to get the number 5072. This method uses 23 button clicks in total. Is there another way to get 5072 using less than 23 button clicks? Write the expression for the same. We can use different numbers other than the numbers given in the table. So let 5 times 1000, 0 times 100, and then we can use 72 as 7 times 10 and 2 times 1, the numbers in the number places itself. So the 5072, it will make 5 plus 7 plus 2 is 14 button presses. Next we have the number 8300. Write the possible buttons: thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. We can use 8000s and 300, 1 tens and 1s. So it will make 8300 in 8 plus 3 equal to 11 clicks. We can find another number of clicks: 7000s, hundreds as 1300s, and 0 tens and 1s. It will also make 8300. Here 7 plus 13 is 20. So the number of clicks is 20. Figure it out for the numbers in the previous exercise. Find out how to get each number by making the smallest number of button clicks and write the expression. In 5072, we got 14 button presses by 5000s, 0 hundreds, 7 tens and 2 ones, which are the place values of the number itself. In 8300, in which we got 11 clicks, the smallest one, 8000s, 300s, 0 tens and 0 ones. So we can conclude that the expression for the least button clicks also give the Indian place value notation of the numbers, which is the important property of this chapter. What if we press the 10 lakh button 10 times? That 10 lakh we have to press 10 times, that is 10 lakh into 10, which is 100 lakh, that is 100 lakh. In 100 lakh there are 7 zeros, and this number is called a crore in Indian number system. A crore is written as 100,000,000. It is 1 followed by 7 zeros. Next one, the table of American system of numbers and Indian system of numbers. American system of numbers is also called the international system. Observe the commas in both places where thousands are same and 10,000 is also same in both the system. But 1 lakh in American system is 100,000 and 10 lakhs is 1 million. 1 crore is 10 million, 10 crore is 100 million, 1 Arab or 100 crore is 1 billion. Notice that in the Indian system, commas are placed to group the digits in a 3-2-2-2 pattern from right to left: thousands, lakhs, crores, etc. But in American system, the digits are grouped uniformly in a 3-3-3-3 pattern. That is thousands, millions, billions, etc. The Indian system of naming numbers is also followed by Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Afghanistan, and Myanmar. The words lakh and crore originate from the Sanskrit words. Observe the numbers of zeros in 1 lakh and 1 crore. 1 lakh written in numbers would be 1 followed by 5 zeros, and 1 crore written in numbers would be 1 followed by 7 zeros. A lakh is 100 times 1,000. A crore is 100 times a lakh, and an Arab is 100 times crore. Here is a question: how many zeros does a thousand lakh have? First write thousand, and in lakh we have five zeros, so put five zeros. So how many zeros are there? There are 5 plus 3, 8 zeros.